Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see something new. So far we have learned about the very basic concepts of Selenium. We have seen how to launch the browser with the help of Selenium WebDriver. We have seen how to do the setting up of Selenium on normal Java project as well as on our Maven project. We have understood the basic concepts of TestNG and how to install TestNG, what are the various ways we have seen those. And also we have understood about various browser drivers, where to download from and how to install it. So all this we have seen. And lastly, we have also seen how to get rid of these browser drivers. I mean, how to not use these browser drivers. So for that matter, we have seen WebDriver Manager. All these important concepts we have seen in our previous videos. In case if you are visiting this channel for the first time, I would recommend you to go and watch those videos so that you can relate the new item topic. So let's then continue with our new topic. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch Chrome browser, and then I will launch this browser with this URL. Then I'll try to capture the title of that particular website. So this particular website has a title, so I'm going to read this title and I'm going to show and print it with the help of Selenium. Okay, so let me show you the website. So that is www.webs.com. Okay, so let me type webs.com, and as you can see, this is the website and this is the title of the website, right? That is free website builder, create free websites, webs. So I'm going to capture this particular title and print it on my Eclipse IDE with the help of Selenium WebDriver. So to do this, we have inbuilt the Selenium WebDriver library has given various methods to do this action, to do this activity. Okay, so let us do that. So I hope you understood already this four lines. I mean, this important, the very important concepts. Okay, so so in case if you are a beginner, I would suggest please go and watch those videos, and you can get a very good idea about this. So now I'm going to basically capture the title of the website. So for that, I'm going to use driver. The driver is already initialized in my WebDriver. So driver dot, there is a method called get title. Okay. So once you type driver dot get, you do, then you get a method that is get title. Okay. So it is in a string format. So let me select this. So now let me run this code and see if I'm able to get the title of this particular website on my console or not. So let me run this. So I'm not going to get the title of this particular page on my console. I'll tell you the reason why. So it will launch the browser with the website URL, and it will also close the browser. But I'm not going to get that particular title on my console. Okay. So let me show you whether I'm getting it or not. So I'm not getting it. My test is run. As you can see, this is successful. It is able to maximize the browser, and finally it has quit the driver also. Browser is closed, right? But I did not get this title. Okay, you must be thinking whether this particular line is executed or not, whether it is successful or not. Okay, but why it is not printing here? So basically there is no problem at all here because we have not given the line to print it in the console. Okay, so how to get that particular text in this console? Yeah, so we have to basically print this line here in system.out.println, and this, now if I run this code, let me run this and see whether it is able to get that. Okay, so let us see. Okay, the browser is closed. Now let's see whether it's able to get the title or not. Yeah, so as you can see, the title is here, free website builder, create free websites, webs. So this is the title that is getting printed because we have given system.out.println. It is able to print this particular website's title with the help of get title. So let me not close the browser so that you can understand. Okay, so I will rerun this code and I'll just compare this title. I mean, I'll just show you what is the title on my that particular browser on that particular website and what I'm currently getting on my console after it is executed. So let me rerun this. So it is able to launch the browser with the website. Okay, it is not going to close the browser because I have not given driver quit. I have commented it out. So this is the title of the particular website, correct? So let us see. So here, if you see, this is the free website builder, create free websites, webs. Okay, this is what we are getting here. So it is able to read this title of this particular website with the help of this get title method of the Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So now let's do some more enhancement in this line so that it looks beautiful. So I'm just going to write here. I'm going to store it basically in a string variable. So let me give my title something. Okay. So here I'm going to basically remove this and and I will print it. I'm going to print it. Let me give here some sentence also. This is my website title. So I can give this and I can. Now let us see, let us run this code and see how this is going to print. Okay, let me run this code. So it is able to launch the browser with the URL and it is going to maximize and it is going to read this website's title and it is going to print here. So this is the title that has been printed and this is the line that I have added in my system.out.println. Okay. So what I've done is I have basically stored this particular text in this string variable and then I'm printing this variable. I'm just printing the result. Okay. I have just added one extra line so that it looks beautiful. It looks more understandable. Okay. So this is how we can make use of driver.get title. So this is a very important concept since you are a beginner. Apart from that, if you want to do some more, for example, if you want to get the URL, if you want to get print the URL, so for that we have, let me just do that also. Okay, we have driver.get current URL. So if I run this code now, let me run this code and you see what I'm going to get. So now I will show you that. So as you can see, it is able to print this URL also. So this is the URL, right? So how this is getting printed? Because we have used another method that is get current URL. So this is the difference between get title and get current URL. So current URL method is going to give you the URL of this particular website. I mean, that is being launched, and the get title is going to give the title of this particular website. Okay, so that's all about the understanding of the get title. We have seen how to implement get title in our Selenium WebDriver. So all these things have been given in the same particular test block. So in my next video, I'll show you how to basically distribute these flows, okay, with the help of different annotations. So that's all in this topic. If you have any doubts, any questions, please drop those in the comment section. I will have a look and answer those. And I'll also come up with a new topic that is going to be on the different test engine annotations, how to implement those test engine annotations. What is the purpose of using those test engine annotations? So I would recommend you to please practice and practice. So whatever you have learned so far, please keep practicing. If you have come across any doubts, any errors, do not afraid of the errors because if you come up with any error, that is the best way to learn the things properly. You can also comment those errors in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you with any kind of clarifications, any kinds of doubts. Thank you. Thanks for watching.